Rajasthan is heading for a major cabinet rejig in a meeting of Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot's residence on Sunday. All ministers resigned ahead of the mega reshuffle. The expansion is being seen as a reconciliation between Chief Minister Gehlot and Sachin Pilot's camps. Rajasthan Congress Chief Govind Singh Dotasra has claimed that this rejig is routine. The swearing-in ceremony is expected to take place at 4 p.m. in Jaipur today. Pilot loyalist Hemaram Chaudhary, Brijendra Ola, Dipendra Singh, Shekhawat, Ramesh Meena and Murlilal Meena will be given cabinet berth. The expansion process is also going to be seeing the inclusion of some BSP and independent MLAs. The expansion is being seen as a small victory for Pilot, who, remember, had led an unsuccessful revolt against Chief Minister Gehlot since 2020.
Rajasthan is heading for a major cabinet rejig. In a meeting at Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot's residence on Saturday, all ministers resigned ahead of the mega reshuffle. The day started with 3 ministers sending their resignations to Congress President Sonia Gandhi.
हमारे 3 होनहार मंत्री राजस्थान मंत्रिमंडल के उन्होंने आज श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी को पत्र लिखा है और पत्र लिख करके मंत्री पद छोड़ने का की इन्होंने पेशकश करी है.
While the expansion is being seen as a reconciliation between Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and Sachin Pilot's camp, Rajasthan Congress Chief Govind Singh Dotasra has claimed that the rejig is a routine process.
राजस्थान में कांग्रेस में कोई खेमा नहीं है, सब एक हैं हम लोग और सोनिया गांधी जी और राहुल गांधी जी का कांग्रेस में एक खेमा है, वही हमारा ग्रुप है, वही हमारी कांग्रेस है.
The swearing-in ceremony is likely to take place around 4 p.m. in Jaipur today. Sachin Pilot has been demanding a cabinet reshuffle for long.
AICC जो महासचिव हैं जमाकन जी, सोनिया गांधी जी, उनसे बात हमारी हुई और प्रदेश सरकार में मुख्यमंत्री से उनकी बात हो रखी है. मुझे लगा कि काफ़ी कुछ वैकेंसी सरकार में भी हैं और संगठन में भी हैं. दोनों में समय रहते हम लोगों को अनुभव और युवा, इन दोनों को इनका मिश्रण कर आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा.
Pilot loyalists Hemaram Chaudhary, Brijendra Ola, Dipendra Singh Shekhawat, Ramesh Meena, Murlilal Meena are eyeing a cabinet berth. The cabinet expansion is also likely to see the inclusion of some BSP and independent MLAs. The cabinet expansion is being seen as a small victory for Sachin Pilot, who has led an unsuccessful revolt against Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot since 2020. The question is the reshuffle a bid to contain Pilot's political ambitions or a prelude to his accession? With Sharad Kumar in Jaipur, Bureau Report, India Today.
Devankur is getting us more details on that story. He joins us from Jaipur for more on that. Dave, in fact, we've been talking about this, a small victory for Sachin Pilot, who's been extremely upset with the way things are in Rajasthan Congress. And the attempt, of course, by the leadership here in Delhi is to try and also, soothe all the frayed nerves there, placate both camps, both the Gehlot camp and the Pilot camp, isn't it?
Well, absolutely. It has been a tough rope for Ashok Gehlot to tread on. Remember that last year when the entire revolt happened, when Sachin Pilot along with 18 other Congress MLAs went outside of Rajasthan and rebelled against the leadership of Ashok Gehlot, there was the priority of saving the government for Ashok Gehlot, because remember Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka are 2 states where Congress had lost their governments, and Ashok Gehlot repeatedly alleged that BJP was trying to connive and trying to ensure that even in Rajasthan the government is toppled. But now it seems that there is a patch-up which will be happening soon, as in when 5 of the MLAs from the Sachin Pilot camp are sworn in, when those people who left from the BSP and joined the Congress, they are brought in, and independents are also given a look in. Ashok Gehlot clearly is trying to ensure that all camps are satisfied. Around 2 years of time is left for the next assembly elections in Rajasthan, and clearly at this point in time Ashok Gehlot will try to ensure that going forward, it is a smooth affair for his government in Rajasthan.
All right, Dev, thanks so much for getting us up to speed with that. So it's a hectic day when it comes to Rajasthan Congress today. A rejig expected, also swearing-in ceremony of all the new ministers will be taking place today itself is what we're picking up.